Hello, this video will take you through the process of registering for the virtual AME 2021. Since this map includes both the physical show and the virtual show, we're going to take a moment and zoom in specifically on the virtual side of the show and take you step by step through how to register as an exhibitor for the virtual Advanced Manufacturing Expo 2021. Okay, so let's take a moment and take you through the registration process and booth selection to become a virtual AME exhibitor. As you can see, there are three distinct booth sizes: an end cap, an island, and the generalized booths. The generalized booths are no charge. That's not a typo. Our virtual AME standard booths are free, no charge. However, if you'd like to have an end cap, make yourself stand out a little bit more than some of the other virtual exhibitors, it's a larger footprint and it's only a $100 upcharge. If you'd like, you could also take a even larger footprint, garner more eyeballs looking at you, and you could select an island. For this demonstration, I'm going to select an island. Once you've selected your booth, you will see a timer start for 45 minutes up here. It will also verify for you your booth selection. And since this is an upcharge for an island, it shows that there's a $200 upcharge. Simply click continue to check out and move forward. After making your booth selection, you'll be taken to the Booths and Services screen. This is where you'll be able to add extras to your virtual booth. As we scroll down, we can verify that it is the same booth that we selected, and we can see the $200 upcharge for the island location. You will also see general services as lead generation and live video chat capabilities. These are definitely elements I want to have if I am a virtual exhibitor. The live chat functionality allows me to present materials to the masses. Lead generation will allow me to see anybody that clicks on my booth virtually. As we continue to scroll down, the physical booth extras are blanked out because you are virtual, not a physical exhibitor. Presentation breakout rooms are also not available since they are for the physical side of the show. Additional sponsorship and marketing opportunities are also available, and being a featured exhibitor is something that I would like to do. Even though I'm a virtual exhibitor, I can still be highlighted atop the virtual exhibitors page. As we scroll down, you can see many different options and sponsorships available. Standalone sponsorships, you actually do not have to be an exhibitor at the show, either virtually or physically. These sponsorships, these standalone services, may be purchased by any company. For this exercise, though, we are just going to stick with the above services that we chose, which will include the featured exhibitor listing, live chat capabilities, and the lead generation side of things. We simply scroll down to move on to the next screen. Starting in 2022, exhibitor registration will be even more streamlined. If you were a previous exhibitor, you would simply type in your name here and all of the information will auto-populate below. For this example, I have a previous company that I've already filled in some blanks, so we can move on with the exercise. Again, I did choose the mechanical hall, so that is where I wish to be selected and recognized in the categories. And again, just to point out, make sure people are aware, this is the public side. This will be published and anyone can see. The administrative side of things will only be available to the admin of your profile as well as the AME. Once you've double checked and everything is correct and proper, simply click the button at the bottom of the screen to move on. After you've filled out the exhibitor profile, you'll be taken to the exhibitor profile upgrade. We strongly recommend you choose the I would like to expand my profile. This does change your booth. If you selected a standard booth of no charge and you added nothing extra up to this point, this would add a $150 charge to your profile, but it would also add expanded business profile, contact information. You can edit your own profile. You can add booth personnel, which isn't as relevant unless you are making a presentation, so you can list your speakers. Products and services, download documents, videos, and a contact form. This is what the expanded profile will do for you as a virtual exhibitor, and it is highly recommended that you utilize this. Once you've selected an enhanced booth or Exhibitor Plus booth, verifying the preferred email address is also important. The email address listed here will be specifically for your admin, the decision maker, the person who is making the call for the Advanced Manufacturing Expo, the staff, and the workers for your business. Once you've verified that that email is proper, move on to the next screen. After you've verified your admin email address, you'll be asked one additional question. If you plan on presenting any materials live, this is where you will put in the URL. If you have no intentions of broadcasting or presenting materials live to the AME attendees, simply click Next. Also, if you don't have the URL that you intend on broadcasting your materials ready today, that is okay. This is the field that we will eventually put that in. The next screen you see is our basic terms of service. Agreed below and simply move on. After the terms and conditions, you'll be taken to after the terms and conditions page, you'll see your shopping cart. This is a breakdown of all the elements you have chosen as a virtual AME exhibitor. You can see your booth, which was an island, your additional service totals, which will be visible down here, the 300, the 100, and the 250. You also will see a $30 processing fee. This processing fee will only be applicable if you pay online or if you pay with the credit card after invoicing. Also, please note, no payments are due at this time. Invoicing will take place either December of 2020 or January of 2021. It is the exhibitor's choice as to which date they wish to be billed. Simply click the Invoice Me and we will process it accordingly. However, if you wish to pay immediately, you may pay online now and the processing fee will be added. Verify everything here looks proper, and if it does, simply select the Invoice Me button. As you can see, we are at the order confirmation stage of things, and you can also see, if we scroll down, that the service fee has been removed because we are asking to be invoiced. At this stage, you are set and your registration confirmation has been sent in to the admins of the Advanced Manufacturing Expo. If any challenges arise, we will contact you. Thank you very much for your interest in becoming an Advanced Manufacturing Expo virtual exhibitor. If you have any questions, please feel free to send an email to joe.teague@industrialcontrol.com. Thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you this July.